sure family and all cushion cabo. My name is Dominic JJ Toka KJT Wildlife Park. My family are inside the Prince of Wales School, you know, now Kington, and of course, yeah, so really in the Prince of Wales School Brass Band, you know, and auditorium really in the bill, where no ever happened so far in another school. My family, of course, you know, the centenary get activities them, so far projects them, while we don't set aside. We make Prince and the right across the world. They send the money, really a big one, right, and you know, for the project and go on. So that everybody so far there across the world get the right for sending money. But we get one Prince William, just like any other Prince William, we don't give plenty money, $2,000, $3,000, just for the multi-purpose sports court gun, and as well back for buy the 100 pieces of customized band, and of course for this other project here. So this person, another person, Mr. Jagaban. So when Jagaban came, of course, last week, Saturday, he go see the multi-purpose sports court, he asked almost at the money left for them done them, and then he see back the field, he say, we need to do this one back. And then when he came there so far, you know that the brass band, you know the structure, when the bill, outside we could pick it and get for the 10, and of course they get for the keep the plenty, you know, 100 piece instrument them. He asked how much could done this particular structure. So Jagaban may get for axe and then entire thing at $2,000. But waiting church so far, Mr. Mohammed Jagaban, now that we didn't tell us say some band people and this so far we don't know for pay for the ceremonial. So Jagaban may get for vex. He said no, instead of $2,000 and they donate and they give 7,000 So Jagaban don't send the money through in communications unit. So far where they can do the presentation, you know, of the $7,000. These are just like any other Prince William so far across the world. We don't give that kind of money there. And don't forget say, if we don't give $30,000 back, $30,000, we let them pay of course the entrance. And then we make Sarah Jagaban come, he ask the question. They say why make of course the Prince of Wales School? Where income, where be sabi, where we get all them powerful tar they are, powerful got to treat them so far, fine trees them so far, but they don't pay. But don't they see the pavement plan for start. So we there today from them for those can witness so far for we hear and for those see yeah the presentation so far. So one for tell all the Prince Williams them some man and call them anonymous giver. They say they give plenty money but nobody they know. But this grace of our Lord Jesus Christ, all the prophets Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what we they give Jama for no, the media for no. So one for tell Jagaban and I know that Prince Williams so far we don't give plenty money or small money, but yet still the CCC chairman still acts, you know, for them to get more support so far because the multi-purpose sports courts now one can get them. The 100 pieces customized, yeah, not so the level that school they go buy guinea and mix up original. This is now brand new customized Prince of Wales School. Logo today. So one for tell everybody thank you so far. So we'll continue for the good updates that the Wisdom Camp Gospel Protection Man on worldwide YouTube channel for any support so far. We possibly give. We don't see the class them, class of 2003, yeah, class of 96. Of course, we tell thank you as well to the class of 60s, 70s, 80s, all the class them, all Prince William and so far. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Passionate call we over tell the story.
We're here on behalf of we own boss, Alhaji Mohammed Jagaban. I think in school is they attend any proud of the school, even in America, whatever gathering they get, it go there, it contribute. They say, in as much as Allah can alive, it continue for the contribute towards the development of Prince of Wales. So it's supposed to be there, but they apologize on their behalf because they get a tight schedule. It don't mean it's not important. It's equally important like any other one, but because the tight schedule, they get days for travel. So you say, you know what, they are there, and I'm schoolmate there, and I'm colleagues there. So we're not good, they understand. So we're there on your behalf. I think say we came here a couple of days back. It say it will make some donation towards the school project. So they are in connection with that. And not come, but they give we a check. For can present as your contribution, you know, to the Prince of Wales family. Saying that this is your contribution where it can be, you know, the school towards the project. $7,000 United States dollars. So that's your contribution. No amount is not too small, not the amount again, but again the thought. And we all know say they don't need to do so much, they do so much. So this is towards the band, right? Yes. Towards the band, yeah. So this is a contribution do, and there's so much more, you know, the tunnel you can with Prince of Wales will benefit. And the ambition is we are philanthropists for our politicians as well. This is how we go to preach and we know that. We are APC. We are politicians, a party they support, and APC, right? So when that time reach, we will preach on the politics, but for now, the donation will come. So on behalf of my own boss,
Yes.
so on behalf of my own boss, Alhaji Mohammed, yeah, give me one. On behalf of my own boss, yes, Alhaji Mohammed Kamara, commonly known as Jagaban, he donates $7,000 United States dollars to the band. So this is a check. Thank you, thank you, thank you all.
Okay.